And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we told you about a recent trip the CommonGround group went on to tour agriculture facilities in Nebraska.
The tour allowed professionals in several different industries to learn more about Nebraska's #1 industry. Pure Nebraska reporter Kristen Bauer was along on the trip and joins us now with some of the highlights of that tour.
John and Taryn, one of the most interesting stops on the tour was Kluthe Farms near Dodge, which is also home to Olean Energy. The farm is owned and managed by Danny Kluthe, and it's home to Nebraska's first on-farm generator powered by manure methane. The Kluthes have a hog farm, and they use the hog manure along with an anaerobic digester to actually produce electricity. The manure is funneled into pits under the hog barns. It's then directed into the digester, which breaks down the manure and pushes up methane gas. The gas is sucked through a pipe and produces electricity that powers a nearby generator. After the manure has been processed, it flows into a lagoon and is later used as fertilizer for crops. It's a process Kluthe says really comes full circle.
I take the corn that we produce, I feed the hogs. I take the waste the hogs make, run it through the anaerobic digester, get gas, make our electricity, goes back into the grid. The effluent goes back down to the lagoon as fertilizer. We pump it back out onto the ground to produce a lot of good corn.
Kluthe also uses the digester to produce fuel for his farm vehicles. He says he gets 70 miles to the gallon in his diesel pickup, which has been converted to run a mix of natural gas and diesel fuel. The process is also good for the environment because it helps prevent the release of methane gas in the atmosphere. Kluthe says this is the ultimate renewable resource and all hog farmers should be doing it. Guys, it's really an interesting concept that could be more prominent in the future. For now, I'll send it back to you.